Digital marketing. Master the skills to grow your business. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to reach and engage with potential customers. It includes a wide range of activities, such as search engine optimization, SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. Digital marketing is essential for businesses of all sizes. In today's world, people spend more time online than ever before. They use the internet to research products and services, make purchases, and connect with brands. By using digital marketing, businesses can reach their target audience where they are already spending their time. This video will teach you the skills you need to master digital marketing and grow your business. We will cover the following topics. What is digital marketing? The different types of digital marketing. How to create a digital marketing strategy. How to measure the results of your digital marketing campaigns. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to reach and engage with potential customers. It includes a wide range of activities, such as search engine optimization, SEO. This is the process of improving the ranking of your website in search engine results pages, SERPs. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. This is a type of online advertising where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. Social media marketing. This is the use of social media platforms to connect with potential customers and promote your products or services. Email marketing. This is the process of sending promotional emails to your subscribers. Content marketing. This is the creation and distribution of valuable content to attract and engage potential customers. The different types of digital marketing. There are many different types of digital marketing, but they can be broken down into two main categories. Inbound marketing. This is a type of marketing that focuses on attracting and engaging potential customers with valuable content. The goal of inbound marketing is to create a positive experience for potential customers so that they will want to do business with you. Outbound marketing. This is a type of marketing that focuses on reaching out to potential customers with advertising or other forms of promotion. The goal of outbound marketing is to get potential customers to notice you and take action. How to create a digital marketing strategy. A digital marketing strategy is a plan that outlines how you will use digital marketing to achieve your business goals. Your strategy should include the following elements. Your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your digital marketing campaigns? Your goals. What do you want to achieve with your digital marketing campaigns? Your budget. How much money do you have to spend on digital marketing? Your channels. Which digital channels will you use to reach your target audience? Your content. What type of content will you create to attract and engage your target audience? Your measurement. How will you track the results of your digital marketing campaigns? How to measure the results of your digital marketing campaigns. It is important to measure the results of your digital marketing campaigns so that you can see what is working and what is not. There are a number of different ways to measure the results of your campaigns, such as website traffic. This is the number of visitors to your website. Leads. This is the number of people who have expressed interest in your products or services. Sales. This is the number of products or services that you have sold. Conversion rate. This is the percentage of visitors to your website who take a desired action, such as signing up for your email list or making a purchase. Digital marketing is an essential tool for businesses of all sizes. By using digital marketing, you can reach your target audience where they are already spending their time, and you can track the results of your campaigns so that you can see what is working and what is not. If you are interested in learning more about digital marketing, there are a number of resources available online. You can also take online courses or hire a digital marketing consultant to help you develop a strategy for your business. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of digital marketing and how you can use it to grow your business.